Welcome back, everyone. It is a hot day. It's got to be way into the upper 90s. So what an opportunity to check out one of the best reviewed water parks here in Calcutta, Wet O Wild.
Wet O Wild.
Woo-hoo. You guys pumped for some Wet O Wild action?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, it's called Wet O Wild. It's got to be great.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head in, find out the ticket prices, how this whole thing works. Now we are here on a weekend, so it's going to be extra busy, and see what it's all about. But we're gonna head to the main entrance now. So it looks like we're gonna need to jump into some of these ticket queues. You can buy tickets online. We did not do that. So I guess we'll just sort of find a line to hop in to try to find tickets. We can kind of see, it looks obviously like we're gonna go over here. Oh, Nicco Park, Wet O Wild. Maybe it's separate counters. All right, park entry is here. I'm not really sure why everyone's just queued up instead of going straight in. So we'll figure that out. Certainly lots of vendors around here. Chips, snacks, drinks, teas, coffees. All right, well, I'm just gonna guess, Cal, we gotta go to one of these ticket counters. Sound right?
Yeah, I think that's what it looks like. So
all right, let's do it. All right, so it looks like it's $500 to get 15 rides at the main park, which I think is Nicco Park. And then for the water park, all rides at main park and water park package, 700. So I think we're gonna try to go with that one, to where if we want the option to go on the roller coaster rides, we have that. So I do believe it's 700 rupees, but we'll find out when we get up there. We would like tickets for main park and water park. Yeah, together. Okay, and then, oh, he's over too. He's like fine. Okay. All right, so we paid our admissions. It was total 6,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees per person. There was not necessarily like a child price for Forest, but the ticket is just basically the receipt. So yeah, 1,200 per person. That's both the water park and the main rides at Nicco. So you got Wet O Wild and Nicco Park. And I guess this is the line to go in. Okay, this line, women. Oh no, together I guess. All right, so we got this long queue to get into the park. All right, queued up, buddy. Let's do it. Yeah, as soon as you get into the water, it's gonna feel good.
It's gonna feel nice.
Are you guys sweaty?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really humid.
So humid today. All right, so we got in, no problem. Now we have to jump into this line for bracelets, is what he said. So, hello. They said bracelets. Okay, guys, this way. Okay. Oh, Forrest. Okay, follow him. Okay, got the receipts back. Thank you, sir. Wet O Wild? Okay. Hello. All right, you guys. Made it. So we are gonna head, I think, certainly towards the water park first.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost Mom. Oh boy, is she gonna be able to get out? All right, now listen, you guys, should we do like a photo at the wheel or just get to the park? Get to the park. Okay, so I think our goal in this video is to ride every single ride and regular. We paid an extra 500 for this experience. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, I can certainly see some high water slides in the horizon, but wow, what a place. Totally, as it appears right now, family friendly and all that. Oh, lockers, you guys, we need lockers. Okay, rental counters, lockers, yeah. So we're gonna head over here and figure out now the next queue, the locker rental. Yes, Forrest.
I think I'm not going on the big sides.
Oh, you're not going on the big strides?
Yes.
All right. Well, you know, challenge by choice, they say. All right, or by height. A lot of times that matters. Okay, so we don't need costumes. That's swim trunks. Oh yeah, here we go. We need lockers. Hello. I would like to rent towels and locker. Yeah, two lockers. And five towels. Yes. All right, I got the tickets for the locker, 2 lockers, 5 towels. Now we're gonna go in the other line to get the keys and the towels.
Line after line.
Yeah. Well, it's organized. At least it's that. Yeah. All right. So now we jump in over here, and this is the pickup. So I guess I'll jump into this line here. Yeah, I got the 5 towels.
2 keys.
Yes.
2 keys.
Yep.
6 p.m. close.
Okay.
बिल
6
को
p.m.
हाँ 6 p.m. close है बिल को संभाल के रखिए.
Bring this back. Okay. All right.
Return.
Okay. Where?
बिल keys towel एक साथ return.
Here. Okay. 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Okay.
close.
All right, guys. Got the towels. Got the keys. I think she was saying 6 p.m. Thank you. All right. I think she was saying 6 p.m. We got to bring back the piece of paper. All right, guys. I got towels. I need to keep that piece of paper. I'll just keep it.
Okay.
So you got to bring back the keys, the towels, and the piece of paper. 6 p.m. So we got like all day.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Let's head in now. She said in and right, or left, but I think right.
Okay.
Let's do it. Here it is, you guys. So separate. Okay, I get what she's saying. So the water park's 10:30 to 6. Time check 11:30 right now. So at 6 p.m. is when we have to return everything over here. All right, well, entry, exit, but this is cool. Got some fun stuff here.
At the end.
At the end. Let's just get in the water. I'm doused in sweat right now. The guy did check all the wristbands. They didn't really scan the QR code. He just needed to see them. And they were doing a number count. So, you know, we'll see if it's busy or not. I don't know.
It actually sounds so peaceful now.
It sounds so peaceful out of the line chaos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see what it is once we get through.
Look at that, river caves. Yeah, this is gonna be all right. Okay, so there is plenty of signage, so we're able to really understand where we're going, at least thus far. We've got toilets, change rooms is what we need in our lockers. So to the right, oh goodness, okay, it looks a little chaotic, but we'll figure it out. So it looks like the locker, oh wait, hold on. Okay, we got numbers. So it says, so we're 826, 827. So it's got to be a community locker. I'm going to put the camera down, but you get the idea. It looks like this. I'm going to put the camera away till after we're changed. All right, guys, so that's zone C. We're zone D. Now that's clearly marked on the back of these bracelets. So again, organized, but check out these slides. Yeah, the kids are going to have a blast. And honestly, it's busy, but it doesn't look like it's crazy busy. So we might not have to wait too long in these lines. It looks busy, but not like slam-a-lama.
Yeah.
At least not yet.
Not as big as the cute look outside.
Oh man, and there's big slides over there, so there's plenty of slides. Whole splash pad area for Forest.
That's where we're going, Forest.
Yeah, we'll do a typical water park divide and conquer. We'll get Kelly and Forrest dropped off in a kid splash area, and then I'll take the kids out for big rides once we get changed. This place is ripping. We got the tidal pool over here, huge slides down there. Zone D. All right, Cindy found it. Much less crowded over here at Zone D, so that's good. Plenty of food. Beach cafe. You know, the other thing I noticed, lots of security. So there's like guards and security everywhere. Worth noting, that's nice. All right, so we are 826, 827. Now I'm gonna put the camera away until we're settled. We are being blasted here with the wave pool music, kind of cool. The lockers are on the outside. So you put your stuff in here, you change in the locker rooms, and you put your other stuff back in. So all lockers on the outside. All right, guys. First things first, we got the old wave pool. You guys feeling better now that we're in the water? Yeah, it immediately makes a difference. So we got our stuff in the lockers. There's a whole place for Forest over here, and we'll start hitting the slides in a little bit. But yeah, the music is bumping, at least from here. All right, guys, the waves have just started. Here we go, first round of waves. Kelly and Forrest are gonna hang back there. Everyone's singing to whatever song this is. You guys hear everyone singing?
Yeah.
It must be a popular song.
Must be.
right, check it out, you guys. We're heading to Pirate Shipwreck. This is probably where Forrest and Kelly will be hanging most of the time while Grant and Cedar and I head the big slides. So the game plan now, you guys, are gonna head over and knock out these 2 big ones. After we do the 2 big ones, we'll touch base with Kelly and Forrest again, just to make sure everyone's doing good and feeling comfortable. So we'll jump into this line here. The key is kind of big, but not the worst. All right, here we go, Cedar. Woo! Oh my! It's just hitting us with water. All right. Okay. Uh-oh, okay, uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Oh. All right, we're going down the toilet flush. Oh, here we go. Here we go, last one. Not bad.
Okay, we are on the second one, and whoa, that one's colorful. Oh no, I think there's a big drop coming up. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared. I gotta hold on to the camera tight or else. Oh no. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh! Whoa! Wow! Oh wow! Oh my gosh! That drop was very scary.
It is now lunchtime. Kelly and the kids grab the table. It is getting packed over there in that splash zone. The lines are starting to really queue up. 40 minutes for our ride. So we're gonna order some Indian lunch. It looks like it's all like classic Indian foods here. The guy just left, so there may be food here, maybe not. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna run the water to everyone now, but I was gonna say one thing about the food here. It's absolutely the best amusement park food you're gonna find. Everything's homemade back there. I saw a dude peeling potatoes. Guys, the food is gonna be pretty incredible. It's not like gross processed American water park food where it's all just like bleh. They're actually making it in-house. So it's gonna be some of the best food I think they've ever had at a water park, but we're gonna find out. Should be ready now. Check that out, you guys. All made fresh and in-house. Yeah. How's that, Cedar?
How many did you get?
I got like 3 different things. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yeah. Tastes like just like what we had on the streets.
Very, very good.
Oh yeah.
Take a dosa.
Yeah, I actually ordered a dosa. So we got the bread, the chole, we have the some onion here. It's so hot. All right, I'm gonna head back up and see what else is coming. Shot, looking great. 2 pieces. It looks like vada chaat. So these are deep fried Indian donuts, very savory. Veggie chaats. All right, then we got, yeah, that's ours. And then we got a dosa coming as well. Thank you. Woo, it's hot, baby. Yeah, that is steaming hot, you guys. So you got the big dosa, masala potatoes in there. We got all these little gravies to go with it and chutneys. Coming in hot, you guys. Oh, it's so hot, so hot. Yeah, all that sambal, it's just like boiling. Sambar.
That is amazing.
Yeah? Hmm. All right, jump in there with that vada. Indian savory donut. All right, guys, we'll spend some time at lunch and we'll see if we can keep eating some slides. The lines are getting really long though. So the total price is 540 rupees for the 3 waters and the big spread of food. All right, guys, stomach's full. Time for a ride?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna check out this side of the park now. You've got multiple rides, some with tubes and some it looks just like on like little body boards. All right, thank you. All right, here we go. The kids over there. Here we go. Cedar got the lead. Woo! Nice job on the distance. That was pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Like that one? What's up, guys? How are you? Good. Good. All right, you guys, you can get a sense of how packed it is here. We are actually gonna head out now, switch to the other park, see if we can't get on a roller coaster or two. But goodness, it is just slammed over here. All right, you guys, we gave it our best shot to ride every ride. It just got too crazy with those queues, 45 minutes, an hour long for a water slide. But we did give it our best shot. Granite Cedar,
Yeah,
what do you guys think? All good?
very fun, yes.
Any tips?
Definitely do not come on a weekend.
Agreed.
100% do not come on a weekend.
Yeah, don't come on a weekend.
Yeah, I'd say, yeah, it was still a lot of fun on the rides. We did go on a great water park. Next time we'll try to come midweek, I suppose would be the big takeaway. If the lines aren't horrible, we do have access to the Nicco Park, which is the amusement park side. So we're gonna try to head over there. If the lines are crazy long, we'll skip. But if they're reasonable, we might try to do a couple of the roller coasters as well. But yeah, this place is pretty great.
Yeah, we had fun, right?
Yeah.
Forrest?
It's the place to be, no doubt.
The place to be.
All right, just jumping in real quick. So I returned the towels and the keys. I got a little stamp, and now I go to the cash counter to receive a deposit back. I think that's got to be over here. All right, just got back from the cash counter. So I gave 2,000 rupees for all the 5 towels and 2 locker rental, and then I got back 1,200. So the total price for the actual rentals was 800 rupees. So all in all, pretty good. I mean, that's great. Gives us their personal space and the towels to wipe off with in the end. All right, now we will find out the moment of truth. Are we gonna go to the amusement park, or are we just totally spent? Well, you'll find out here very shortly. That brings us to an end of our day at Wet n Wild and Nicco's. Both great. I'm glad we got the combo ticket. The lines are starting to queue up here as well. But to get in, get some of these kind of free rides, that was pretty fun.
A good way to spend family time out of the heat.
Okay, yes, out in the heat. Definitely. Guys, Granite Cedar, you recommend it?
Oh yeah, definitely. I would definitely pay the extra $5 to get both.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. All right, everyone. Well, hope you enjoyed that look here. We are bringing all types of adventure, street food, all here in Kolkata. So hope you enjoyed it. Do like, subscribe, drop a comment. What was your favorite ride? And everyone, see you in the next episode.